Hello everybody, and welcome back to another video. Well, today is the day. Now, you may be watching this, I'm assuming that I'll be posting this a couple of days after I post it, if not the day I post it, so it'll be relatively relevant for when you're watching it. But as of right now, silver is screaming. Silver has passed 41 Australian dollars an ounce, which is absolutely barnacles to talk about. You know, that's over $29.50 US, which is such a remarkable thing to be talking about. Double the price of when I got into silver originally, which has just been so exciting to see. Now, getting into silver, it's been very intriguing and exuberating. No, that's not a word. Very exciting to see silver climbing, dropping a little bit and continuing to climb. And it's truly been a very exciting event for myself. So today's video is going to be a little bit of an unboxing while we're talking about silver, of course with silver, I guess you could say. And I'm very excited to show you what we've got, and I'm very excited to talk more about silver and how it's doing. Alright, so let's kick it off with the parcel here. And this is actually not from the forum as most of my previous purchases have been recently, but instead we have a very nice piece that I'm very excited to... Oh, this is a lot cooler than I expected. So the other day I was browsing on the Macquarie Mint website, and I was pretty interested in the stuff that they had, looking at something I might want to pick up for my birthday personally, but I saw this here and it read free medallion. And that's right, they are offering a free silver plated medallion as to celebrate, now what is this? Okay. Not sure what that is, but here we have it's a commemorative coin to commemorate the First World War. So we have a little bit of a flyer talking about the range of stuff in that area. Ooh, this is cool. Was not expecting all of this stuff, just thought I was going to be getting the one medallion. So little booklet there. Wow. Well, this is cool. There's so much stuff here. Yes, that's right. So this thing only cost me shipping, but we have a little bit of a folder to put it in, and then we have the medallion. So this is the silver plated proof, and it is a very nice one actually. So these are limited to one per household, so you can actually pick one up yourself just for the shipping price. So this cost me $5 for shipping, and it's a silver plated medallion. So that's really exciting to have. You know, I always want to pick up something cool, and I'm always looking for free stuff. So I think we've also got a slot for a gold version there. Probably won't end up picking that up, but still very cool. Oh, no, it's a lot bigger than I thought. Okay, so this is for the entire set, so you can actually collect all the different pieces, and we've got the first one to start us off with the free medallion. You can put the certificate of authenticities in there. This is very nice. I'm very happy with this. You know, I always take this, and it comes with a binder sort of thing, all sorts of things. Let's see, what do we got here? Just tax invoice, is it? It's like a book of tax invoices. Oh, nope, it's more advertisements. Huh. I'm just going to get sucked into all of these things. This is awesome. Look at this. Wow. Okay, so I was just expecting the single coin wrapped up, but looks like we've got a lot of stuff. Let's just get rid of the stuff that we don't really need here. Just chuck it off. Got the nice binder there, so very happy with that. Very exciting to have a free bit of silver plating in there. You know, why don't we just put it up there so you guys can see it. And let's talk about silver. Alright, silver is shooting up. I know a lot of people refer to it as the bull run. That bull is charging right up, and boy oh boy is it. So from my memory, when we started the day yesterday, which would have been Thursday, the 6th of August, silver started either just under 37 Australian dollars or just above, and it's no longer there. So throughout the day we saw it going pretty well, and when it came time for me to go to bed, we were sitting at around $37.50, you know, around $38 maybe. And then I woke up this morning and checked my phone, and lo and behold, wow, $40 for silver. And that was such a remarkable milestone. You know, I started a little bit of a chat on the forum asking people's opinions to get a bit of knowledge and information for you guys. And we had lots of people voting about where they think silver will close at the end of this week. And personally, I voted for $40 to $45 an ounce. And let's say I've actually exceeded that already today. But it could go anywhere really. Silver could go back down at the end of the day and close below $40. Or who knows, it might even jump up above 45. At the way silver's moving, that is not something that I'm willing to rule out. So, you know, very exciting stuff. But we had a lot of people agreeing in the 40 to 45 area. A lot of people as well also think that we're going to have a, not major, but a considerable pullback before we continue to climb. So there are a lot of people guessing, or not guessing, predicting in the 35 to 40 range that we would have a pullback under the $40 mark again. Personally, I did think that we were going to close above 40, and at the time being, that seems like it's going to be a possibility. Now, you guys are probably watching this on the weekend. That's when I'm assuming I'll be releasing it. So the results will be clear by then. So it was really interesting to see everybody's opinion and where they thought silver was going to end up at the end of the week. It's been very exciting to watch. It's been very exciting to speculate about, but to be honest, we have no idea. We have no clear idea where silver's going at the moment because it is charging like a rampaging bull. It is crazy to see the growth of silver. I think we had a pullback last week. We're on $32. The fact that we've gone up nearly $10 in around a week is just remarkable to think about. And it's been such an exciting week. Gold hitting the all-time high last week and then continuing to shoot straight past it. No regard for the all-time high. You know, we're going to keep going up. Gold nearly at $2,100 an ounce. The all-time high being 1927 previously. No, 1,927. So very exciting action from silver. I'm not going to keep on going because I know that I don't want to bore you guys with it, but it's been a very exciting week for myself. It's been a really nice time getting this medallion set. I might even continue to collect the rest of them, although possibly not because they are only silver plated rather than actual silver, but who knows? I will definitely take a free silver medallion and you can get one too. This is not like a referral link or anything. Just go to their website and search it up and you should be able to find it. So very happy with that. It's something with a little more character, which I really like having in my stack. So very exciting stuff. And I guess that's all for now. Thank you all for watching very, very much. I sincerely appreciate each and every person watching this video because it means so much to me that you guys care about what I'm speaking about, and it makes me so happy to be making videos for you all because it is truly what I love and enjoy doing. So that's all for now, guys. Make sure to subscribe and use the links in the description to get some really helpful and genuinely really good resources to help you in your investing world, even outside of the precious metals department, which I've been so focused on recently. For example, Rich Dad Poor Dad, very good book. Think and Grow Rich, haven't started it yet, but I'm sure I'll get to it soon. And lots of other good books, lots of other investing resources and products, and even some other services that will help you out quite a lot that you can get at a good price with the links in the description. That's all for now, guys, and until next time, goodbye.